Hi guys, today I will show you Keurig K-Elite. This fashion machine has been released a couple of months ago. So its design is much more sophisticated than the K-Classic, which is a very old one. The tray plate is covered with stainless steel. If you remove the plate, there is a K logo, which means Keurig. Over here, there are K-cups that I can use for brewing coffee today. So there's a water reservoir here, capacity is 75 ounces. So let me just fill up the reservoir now so I can try coffee. Okay, I'm done filling up. So, okay, let's push this power button so it can be heated on. Let's go to settings first before getting a coffee. So if you click setting buttons here, you can change hours and minutes. You can also change temperatures as you want. Next is daytime auto on off. This is your nighttime auto on off. This button is high altitude buttons. This is designed for people who want to use this at higher altitudes, which is over 5,000 feet. So usually most people don't have to use this. This add water button will change the blue color when water is needed. This is descale buttons. So when you want to boil the coffee, you absolutely need this. If you just want hot water, you push this button. This button is for 4 ounces coffee. Which is the smallest coffee. Next one is 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces. Last one is the biggest one, 12 ounces. This ice button feature is awesome because there was no ice button on the previous models as I know. I'm so happy with this because every time I get a coffee from Keurig, I really needed this. So definitely I can say that it is the most favorite features. Now it is time to brew iced coffee. So remove the plate first so the iced cup can be placed on the bottom here. Then push up the lever. Okay, let me try this laughing man here. Okay, you push this iced button. Okay, I think it's time to enjoy. Close the cap tight so you don't have to spill any amount of it. Also, don't forget to put a straw in it. Now I'm ready to enjoy the iced coffee here. Now I'm gonna try hot coffee. So push up the lever first. This time, let me just try donut shape regular. Put in the holder, push down. So if you want to have a strong one, don't forget to push the strong button. Okay, so let me just click strong here. Also, I'm getting 8 ounces. Okay, it's ready. Now you can enjoy the hot coffee here. I finished getting hot iced coffee bought. I just want to mention regarding I like and I don't like. Strong Brew feature is great because I prefer getting strong flavored coffee. That is what I like on this machine. On the other hand, I really cannot find out the difference between iced and hot button because the flavor is still same to me when I get a iced one. So I'm not convinced with the iced feature. Let me tell you 2 Keurig machines before I had this Keurig K-Elite. I've had a K Classic. There was no major issue using it. Second one is K45. This one is equipped with the LCD indicator so the users can touch it conveniently. But the problem is that it also could be easily be stopped working, since the LCD part can be so wet that the whole machine can be stopped working. That was the main issue when I was using this machine. So anyone is thinking about getting this K-Elite, yeah, it is the great choice you will get. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video.